Everyone, welcome to the presentation of AMOS Group 2. The presentation of Group 2 is about El Oceanographic in Valencia, Spain. We will show you a virtual tour inside Oceanographic. Next, there will be 4 reporters who will share their knowledge about El Oceanographic. First one will be Jamil Fenis.
Oceanographic overview. It is also known as the largest aquarium in Europe and was established in 1997. It was opened on 14th of February year 2003 and divided into different parts that mimics the environment or habitat of different creature or different marine life, aquatic animals that we can see in the ocean. Oceanographic was integrated inside the cultural complex known as the Ciutat de las Arts y les Sciences, which means City of Arts and Sciences. It has a total water capacity of 42 million liters, which makes it the largest structure among its kind in the whole Europe. Oceanographic is divided into several different areas which represent various marine habitats and contain numerous species from these areas. First, we have the Antarctic. Antarctic is the very most popular because of its large colony of penguins. Second, we have the Arctic. This habitat resides in a large igloo-shaped dome and features majestic creatures such as walruses and beluga whales. On the third spot, we have the Red Sea Auditorium. In this unique auditorium, visitors can watch as a presenter on stage and a diver inside an aquarium that interact with the various species that live in the Red Sea. We have the next one, Mediterranean. There are over 7,000 fascinating specimens from the nearby Mediterranean Sea in this ring of aquariums, including corals, anemones, crabs, octopus, and lobsters. Second one is oceans. The ocean tank is where you'll find a variety of shark species, which live in one of the largest tanks in the world, which has a volume of 7 million liters. Next is dolphinarium. From the word itself, it includes demonstration of the intelligence of dolphins as well as acrobatic feats by both humans and dolphins. We have the second one is temperate and tropical. One of Oceanographic's most popular buildings houses both temperate and tropical habitats. which are connected via a 70-meter-long underwater tunnel that allows visitors to be surrounded by sea creatures. Next, we have islands. If you love sea lions, you won't want to miss this popular outdoor habitat, meaning the island has so many sea lions on it. Second one is wetlands. Another interesting outdoor exhibit is the wetlands habitat, which features a marshland and a mangrove swamp that are home to a variety of birds as well as turtles and other creatures that lives in mangrove and marshland. And then the last one, we have the Animalia Passport. If you're interested in having a one-of-a-kind experience of the aquarium, you can pay extra to enjoy the perks of the Animalia Passport, which allows you to spend about 2 hours with keepers who will introduce you to animals like seals, walruses, dolphins, and sea lions, while teaching you fascinating facts about their behaviors, attitudes, attributes, and characteristics.
Next one will be Bea Erom.
Oceanographic architectural background. It was designed by architect Felix Candela together with the structural engineer Alberto Domingo and Carlos Lazaro. Dimensions. Building area 110,000 square meters. Parabola area. Height 56 feet, width 68 feet.
One of the architecture of El Oceanographic is Felix Candela or Felix Candela o Terreño. He was born on January 27, 1910, a Spanish and Mexican architect who was born in Madrid and at the age of 26 immigrated to Mexico acquiring double nationality. He is known for his significant role in development of Mexican architecture and structural engineering. Candela's major contribution to architect was the development of thin shells made out of reinforced concrete, popular, popularly known as cascarones. He was one of San Diego's Calatrava's teachers and has had great influence on his works. He died on December 7, 1997 at the age of 87. Next reporter will be Mark Andre D.
El Oceanographic was opened on February 14, 2003 and located on Valencia, Spain. Its coordinate is 39.45 degrees north and 0.34 degrees west. The land area of it was 110,000 square meters and the number of animals here are 4,500 and number of species are 500. The total volumes of tank was 42 million liters or 11 million US gallon. The owner of all oceanography was Park West Reunidos. Did you know oceanarium is different from aquarium? Oceanarium, which is the huge one that mimics a piece of the ocean and contains numerous marine species like grouper, larger sharks, etc. An aquarium, which is the smallest that represents a single habitat due to size restrictions. And another one, the hyperbolic shape of roof was inspired by the Los Manantiales restaurant in Mexico City. The hyperbolic parabola shape of the roof was inspired by the Los Manantiales restaurant in Mexico, which Candela designed in 1958. In this building, Candela integrated design and sound structure.
In mathematics, a parabola is a plane curve which is mirror symmetrical and is approximately U-shaped, which make the oceanographic design count as a parabola. Next reporter will be Francis James Franco.
Why do we choose oceanographic? It is because its design shows an example of parabola. We chose this architectural design for the reason that its design shows a parabola. The oceanographic has a unique and exquisite view which make it more attractive as well. And even though you haven't seen it personally, you'll add this to your dream destination mainly if you love marine ecosystem. Why did we choose?
Next will be different angles of L-oceanographic. And this is where our presentation will end. And thank you.